Yeah, good evening. My name is Kannababu. I'm a senior corporate trainer. Today we'll try to discuss about how to work with Jquery Ui. So let us see here. What is Jquery Ui? Actually, Jquery provides an important library which is called as Jquery Ui to add some more richness to our web page. In order to work with Jquery Ui, here we have to add two files. One is our basic Jquery library. The other one is Jquery Ui library. In order to work with UI, we have to download the Jquery Ui from jquery.com website. So here you can check it out. I'll just go to jquery.com. Just here I'll go to jqueryui.com. Within that you can see custom download. And here I want to download the version 1.9.2. Just click on that one and check all the checkboxes. Below that you select UI lightness and click on download. Then automatically the Jquery UI version will be downloaded on your desktop. Here you can observe it is downloading. Jquery UI 1.9.2. Within that you can see one folder is downloaded. Within that folder you can find three subfolders will be there. One is CSS cascading style sheets. Other one is development bundle and the another one is JS. So here I already downloaded this folder on my desktop. Here you can see within my desktop, here I am having MVC1 folder. Within that you can see Jquery. Within that Jquery I already downloaded Jquery Ui -1.9.2.custom. Right click and here you just copy this one. In order to work with here I will try to create one new folder on my desktop and the name of the folder I will give as Jquery demo, and within this folder I will try to paste my Jquery that download file, zip file. So right click and extract to Jquery Ui 1.9.2. I am trying to extracting the file. So here you can see. Once when the file is ready, within that file you can find three subfolders will be there. One is CSS, other one is development bundle, another one is JS. So here first of all I will try to open my Visual Studio Editor and go to start Visual Studio 2010 because I want to work with Visual Studio 2010. Go to file, new website. There you can select ASP.NET website, click on OK button, and here by default I will get the default.aspx. I will go to my Solution Explorer. I will right click, add new item, select web form, and here I will try to give some name for my page as Jquery demo app.aspx. So within my Solution Explorer, here you can find by default one folder will be there with the name styles and scripts. So right click on the scripts, select all the Jquery files which are already available, right click and delete. And here I will try to create one new folder here. Right click on your project, new folder. Name of the folder I will give as CSS cascading style sheets. Here we already downloaded our Jquery file. Within that here you can see development bundle is there, and within the development bundle here you are having one folder called themes. Right click, copy, and here paste the themes folder, paste it. And similarly within your folder under development bundle, here you can find one folder with name demos. Open the demos folder. Within the demos folder, below that you can find demos.css. It is a cascading style sheet file. I want to add this file. Right click, copy, and try to add within your CSS folder. Right click on CSS, paste it. So within the CSS I added two files. One is themes and the other one is demos.css. Similarly, I will try to create one more folder here. Right click on your project, new folder. The name of the folder I will give as JS. Now again go to your file, and within this particular development bundle, within the development bundle, here we can find UI. Right click on the UI, copy, and right click on your JS, paste it. So I have pasted the UI within your JS file, and again go to your folder. So what we are doing means your Jquery Ui library is nothing but already the predefined code that was required to apply the styles, themes and skins, and similarly the predefined code has been already developed, and we are trying to consuming the predefined jQuery functions in our particular application. You will understand much more better when we complete this example. Within your JS, here you can find two files are there, jQuery -1.8.3 and the other one is jQuery -ui -1.9.2.custom.min. Right click, copy, and here within the JS folder you try to paste it. So here you can see what we have done here. First we created two folders, one folder with name CSS, other folder with name JS. Within the CSS we added two files, one is themes folder, other one is demos.css, and within the JS we added UI folder, and here we added jQuery files 1.8. This is the normal jQuery or basic jQuery library, and below that you can see jQuery UI 1.9.2, that is your jQuery UI library. So we added both the files. Is it clear? So now once all these files have been added, we have to go to the source code, and within the head part of your HTML, I will try to go to your solution explorer. First of all, I will try to add the files. I will add my jQuery, basic jQuery library within my head part. So simply drag and drop that one, and then here I will try to go to my UI folder. Within the UI folder you have to add some files, something like, first of all I will try to add the jQuery ui.widget.cs JS. I will add this file, and then I will try to add one more file here, jQuery ui.core.js. jQuery ui.core.js, one more file I am adding, which will consist of the basic jQuery files there. And then I will try to add here jQuery ui.tabs.js. I want to use this particular jQuery control. I want to apply to my ASP.NET or HTML control. And here what we are trying to do means, whatever the predefined jQuery functions are there, we are trying to apply the jQuery functions to our normal web page, whether it was developed by using HTML controls or even by using your ASP.NET controls. First I added widget.cs, core.js, tabs.js, and at the same time I want to add the demos.cs. I want to add the style sheet within my particular head part. And apart from that, within your themes we are having one more folder under UI-lightness. Here we are having jQuery.ui.all.cs. Here I will try to add this style sheet within your head part. So here these are the basic jQuery files that you have to add within your head part. One is the basic jQuery library, and the other one is widget.cs, another one is core.js, and the other one is jQuery.ui.tabs, the other one is demos.css, the another one is jQuery.ui.all.css. Now here you can say I will take a normal div tag. Within my normal div tag, within the body part I have some form tags are there. I will try to remove that one, and within the body tag I will try to take one div tag, and a div I will use ID for the div as something like the name I will give as D1. D1 is the ID I have given for the div1, means the D1 represents the div1, and within the div tag I'll try to take some unordered list UL tag, and within the UL tag I'll try to take the list item tag li tag, and within that I will take one anchor tag href is equals to the path to which it has to redirect. So later I will give the path and close your anchor tag, and here I will simply write something like Google. When I click on Google, it has to open some Google page, something like that. Or instead of that I will try to write, here I will give as home, here I will try to give as home. So when I click on home, it has to go to the home page. And similarly here I will try to take one more li tag and one more li tag. 3 list item tags I have taken. One I have given as home and the other one I have given as about us. I will try to give as about us, and here I will try to give as contact us. I am developing a simple basic normal HTML web page with 3 anchor tags I have taken, and this is my div tag. Within the div tag I will try to take one more div tag. Here I will try to take one more div tag. The ID for the div I will give as something like the ID for the div I will give as D2. I will try to give here. Just here you can see. Within the div tag I will try to take one paragraph tag, and here I will write a simple message saying that welcome to home page, welcome to home page. And here I will try to take one more div tag, div D3. I will give the name D3, and here I will give welcome to about us page, about us page. And within this I will take one more div tag. Here I will give as D4, here I will give as D4, and here I will give as welcome to contact us page, contact us page I will try to give here. Right, so here when user clicks on the home, it has to go to the home page, that is D2. So here I want to use ID as selector. The ID of div is D2, so hash D2 I will try to give. Hash D2 I am giving. It means that when user clicks on the home button, it will go to the home page. That is, it will display the content of home page. Similarly, when user clicks on about us page, it has to go to D3. So hash D3. Similarly, contact us page, I will try to go to D4. Is it clear? So once you can go to your design and once check it out. If you want to increase the font for this, you can increase. You can always increase the font. I will give bold. Here I will try to give some large. Once you can go to your debug and once check it out. Welcome to home page, welcome to about us page, welcome to contact us page. This is a normal design that was done in our HTML. Is it clear? Home, about us, contact us. What is the normal design that was done in our HTML? Now I will try to apply my jQuery UI library for this particular design. Within that, what I will to do that particular operation within your particular head part, I will try to take within the head part. Here I will try to take one script tag. Script type is equals to, here I will write text slash JavaScript. Language is equals to something like JavaScript. I will try to write here. Right. And within the script tag, I will write my jQuery function document.ready. So dollar, here I will try to write document dot ready function, document dot ready, and when the form is ready, this function will be automatically invoked. So here I will try to write the function, and here I will try to give bracket open, bracket close, and semicolon. Within this I will try to write the jQuery function. I will try to write the dollar, and I want to apply the jQuery for my D1 tab. So I will use ID as selector. So here I will give hash D1 dot. I will try to use the tabs. There is a predefined function that was available, and as I am using this automatically, what is happening here means automatically within our UI, you are having jQuery UI dot tabs dot JS. That is, the code was automatically written for that particular to display the